Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sagar and today we will be seeing how to create calculator in PyQt. So for that, what we need these libraries. If you don't have, you can install it. And I will tell you what we are going to create it. So we are going to create this GUI, which is called calculator, and it has two labels, price and tax rate, and we have this button OK, and then we have this this text area also, okay, where we get our result. So let's begin it. First of all, what I will do, I'll create one class which is main class. So I'll write the name main window, and here I pass the argument QVidget. Okay. Now what I do, I create a constructor. So for that I write init. Okay. And here I call super method, and then I write a constructor. Okay. Here we go. And yeah, so second method we will create. So this is for UI. So I write def set UI, right, set UI. Okay, this should be in a small case. So set UI, and here pass self. Now what we do, first I set background color. So I write self dot set autofill background, I make it true, and then I write self dot p is equal to self dot what, palette, p a. Okay. And now what we do, we set the color. So I write self dot p dot set color, and here I pass self dot background, I write background role, and then here I write gray color. So I write qt dot gray. Now what I do, I'll write self dot set palette pl. Okay, and here I pass that variable self dot p. Now our aim is to create this text calculator, enterprise, enter text rate, OK button, and these three fields. Okay, so now what we do, we write one variable, we create one variable, let's say header, and here we call QLabel class, and here we pass calculator. I would say text calculator cal. Okay, and this L should be in caps. Now what I have to do, I create one variable, let's say price label, and I call QLabel class, and here I pass the message enter the price. Now what I do, I'll call self dot price entry, and here I call line edit class. Okay, to get my inputs. In next line what I have to do, I have to create this one, enter text rate, and this box I have to create it. So what I do, I create one variable, let's say text label, and here I call the same QLabel class, and here I pass message says enter the tax rate in percentage. Okay, here I write text dot, sorry, self dot text is equal to q spin box. Now I have to create button, so I write self dot button, and here I call q push button class, and here I pass message okay, not message, the name of the button. And one more variable I will create it, that is for answer, so I write answer is equal to q line edit. Okay, we have done this much. Now we have to add these things into our widgets. Okay, so I have to call, what we have to do first, we have to create a layout. So I will write grid is equal to q grid layout, we are using it, so we write this, and now we add one by one. So uh, grid dot add widget I'll call, and here I pass the variable. So we have created a header variable, so that header, and I pass the position. So what I do, I copy this one and I paste it. Enter, one more enter, one more enter. Okay. Now change the variable names and the positions. So header we have covered, price label we have to write here, price label. Okay. So price label को copy करो, and here I write price label. Then price entry we have it, so I write price entry here. Then tax we have it, sorry, tax label we have it, so I write tax label. Here I write tax, and then we have button also, so I write button, and then copy it and again paste it, and here I write answer. Now I have to change the positions. Okay, so for header I have given 0 comma 0. For this I give 2 comma 0. Let's say okay, 2 comma 0 is fine, and here I write 2 comma 1. Here this should be 3, and this should be 3 comma 1. Okay, why I am doing this 0 and 1, because if you see in front of enter text rate we have this this input box. That's why I am changing the y position, but I'm not changing the x positions. Okay, for this I write 4, and here I write 4 comma 1, so I change it to 1. So far we have covered this much. Now what I do, I have to set the size of the window. So I write self dot resize, and here I pass, let's say 200, and 150, and then I have to call method self dot show, and then I have to set layout. So I write self dot set layout, and here I pass the variable grid which we have created before. So I write grid. At the last, what I do, I set title of the window. So I call the function set window title, and here I pass the string as a title. So I write calculator. Okay. Now main thing is remaining is that you are seeing this space we are seeing, this box we are seeing it. So we need to do calculation. We haven't done calculation yet, so we have to do calculation. Suppose when a user enter the price and when a user enter this tax rate, so we should get some answer. Okay, we should get some output. So what will be the formula of this output? What will be the formula of this calculator? Okay, so we need to define it somewhere. So for that, what I do, I create uh, one method. Let's say tax calc. Okay, and here I define one variable. Let's say price, and here I do, I call I call I will call this price entry variable. What I want is I want text. So I call this method. Again, what I do, I'll allocate one text variable and I call that text variable which we have created, and from there what we want text. Now I create one more variable final, and here I write the formula. So price into text divided by 100 plus price. And here what I do, I set this final variable, okay, into my answer. So I call this answer variable which we have created, and I do set text str final. Okay, so remove this star instead of use brackets. So far we did it. And one more thing we missed it, we have to change this into float. So I write float. We have to do basically typecasting here. So I am writing float, and same for this also. So I write float. Okay, and here also I do the same thing. Okay, so this is the function. We haven't called this function, so we have to call somewhere. So when we press OK button, we want some answer. Okay, we want some calculation. So what I do, go to this main file and I write self dot button. Okay, and here I write when we click it, when we click it. So dot clicked. When it is clicked, then connect it. So I do, my keyboard is not working well here. So I write connect, and I pass the method which we have created. So what I do, I write self dot text, here text cal, okay, and remove these two. Now here what I have to do, the main thing is remaining. We have to call our main class which we have created. So I write first app, I am creating object app, and here I write Q application. So Q will be in caps, Q application. Here pass, here I pass okay. So what I do, I pass here string, I pass this, I pass this array, remove, I remove this 9, okay. And now what I do, I create one main object. So what I do, I will write main window, okay. I will write main window. Yeah, so what I do, I'll create one main object. So I write main window, main underscore window, and I call our main class, which is main window. Okay. And now what I have to do, I have to call this show method. So I'll write like this object, and then I'll call the main, then we call this show method. Okay. And at the last, what I have to do, I write 6 dot assist. Okay. And then I call this app object, and then I call this execute method. Okay, okay. So one thing we are missing it is we have created this, this method, but we are not calling it anywhere. So we have to add it somewhere. So what I do, I'll I'll write here self dot set UI. Okay. Now run it. Okay, we are facing some. Yeah, so basically what I have to do, I have to call it by self. Okay. So here also I am writing what? I am writing here self instead of price entry. So I write self dot price rating. Okay, now run it. It should work. See, we are seeing this GUI, and here we have this enter the price, and we have these this enter the tax rate. So let's say I write here 100, and I write the tax rate 2%. So what will be my answer? Why my answer will be 102. Okay, so when I click on this OK button, I will get my answer. So my answer is 102, which is fine, which is correct. Okay, so it means